Drop your tongue right now. If you're a beginner and you recently started mewing, there's a big chance you've been doing it wrong the entire time. So if you want to improve your facial structure and get that sharp jawline without losing too much time because of rookie mistakes, then be sure to stick around. Mistake number 1. Wrong tongue position. The most common mistake in mewing is an incorrect tongue position. Many people believe that pressing your tongue as hard as possible against the roof of your mouth is good. However, this can lead to detrimental effects, because placing excessive pressure on your jaw can cause gaps in your teeth, it can cause muscle and joint strains, and an unnatural facial structure. To avoid this, it is crucial to have your tongue positioned correctly. Instead of touching the front of your teeth, your tongue should be placed behind them, with no contact at all. Mistake number 2. Swallowing technique. Mewing is also all about having the proper swallowing technique. A lot of guys face a dilemma when they want to swallow, but they don't want to lose their mewing posture. However, it is important to find a balance with this. While you're swallowing, it is crucial to stay relaxed and allow your tongue to move freely. Trying to forcefully maintain the mewing posture during swallowing and holding your breath can lead to inconsistent results and some tricky situations. By taking a relaxed approach to swallowing and allowing your tongue to move free like a bird, you can get the most out of your mewing. Mistake number 3. Excessive mouth opening. You want to pay attention to the degree of your mouth opening. It is very important to find the right balance. While it may feel uncomfortable at first, it is essential to avoid excessive mouth opening during mewing. Having your mouth too wide open can apply unnecessary stress to your jawline. Finding the right mouth opening position is key to a smooth mewing process. So you want to test out and find out what works best for yourself. Mistake number 4. Mouth breathing. The way you breathe during mewing is also very important. You should only be trying to breathe through your nose. Breathing through your mouth in general is a bad idea, as this can lead to a bad breath and it can really mess with your tongue posture during mewing. There you have it. Those are all the common beginner mistakes. If you still don't know how to properly mew, I suggest you check out our in-depth mewing tutorial, linked in the description below. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos.